Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most popular topics in the Python world, GUI programming. Specifically, we'll be taking a look at Tkinter, a built-in Python library for creating graphical user interfaces. Are you ready to learn how to create your own custom GUI applications? First, let's start by importing the Tkinter library. This is the core library we'll be using for creating our GUI elements. As you can see, it's a built-in library, so there's no need to install any additional packages. Now, let's create a basic window. We'll start by creating a new Tkinter object, which represents our main window. Next, we'll set the title of the window and the size. And finally, we'll use the main loop function to start the event loop and display the window on the screen. Now that we have a basic window, we can start adding elements like buttons, labels, and text boxes. To do this, we'll use the various classes provided by the Tkinter library, such as button, label, and entry. That's it. With just a few lines of code, we've created a basic GUI application using Tkinter. Remember, Tkinter is a very powerful library, and there's a lot more you can do with it. We encourage you to experiment and create your own custom GUI applications. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.